My name is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. And in this video, a very quick one before my podcast that I'm supposed to be on, I wanted to show you this product that just came in the mail today. And it's called Snuggly Duck Crafts. And I just bought it recently. So I'm not getting any money from doing a shout out for them. I came across them because they said that 15% of their Pride Month proceeds goes to Uga Chaga. And because I needed soap, so I bought this. Okay, so this is the packaging. And then when you open it out, there's a thank you card, and because it's in pink and a very light font, I can't really read it, so I'm just going to read it. It says all products from Snuggly Duck Crafts are cruelty-free and handcrafted with love. Each item is unique in its own special way. I hope you'll find your happily ever after with us. And it says here, don't forget to tag us on Instagram and leave a review on Easily. Okay, so comes in brown paper, and I am getting, of course, the items that I ordered. So when I open it out, it comes with all these little cards and also sticker. So really cute. Nowadays, all these little touches really makes a difference. So what did I get? Okay, let me just show you what I got. I got this rainbow soap, which smells great, and this yin yang soap, which I just thought was so beautiful. And it really is very representative of my work in Tantra. They talk about the yin and yang, the masculine and the feminine being the moon and the masculine being the sun. And you can also say this is not the sun, this is the moon and moon, the full moon and the waning moon or half moon, or the end of new moon. I don't know, I just got it because I love it and it's beautiful. Rainbow, yeah, rainbow. So the rainbow item is 15% to Uga Chaga. I haven't used it, so I can't really give any comments about how it works out. I also got this little pouch. And what this does is, according to the instructions, you put the soap inside. Of course, there's a wrapper right now. And this drawstring will allow me to still have the experience of being able to have a shower, yet be able to exfoliate myself. So I have never done it this way. I use scrub. I have never done this kind of bags to exfoliate, but I'm looking forward to it. I actually got this pouch because I wanted it to separate from the container that I've been using it. It just kind of like stuck together with this bag that I put my soap in. And so I thought something to separate the bag inside the bag will be useful. So let's just read the soap care sheet. It says, keep soaps wrapped until used. Handmade soaps tend to form dew on the surface when exposed to humid air. Do not expose soaps to sunlight or rest them in water for long periods of time. That's what happened to my soap. If dew forms on the surface, simply wipe off with a cloth and continue using as normal. Glycerin dew is not harmful. Soaps are best used 6 months after purchase. So yeah, the box came with all these little paper to add that little touch of a nest. And I want to look at the sticker. Pretty things inside. Okay, so I'm calling it sticker, but actually I don't even know if it's really sticker. I'm just like tearing it because I actually have to go because I have a podcast to prepare for. Oh, how do they do all these stickers? So they're so pretty. They're so pretty, like really cute. Really cute. Oh my god, I'm dropping some. but it's kind of the stickers are kind of in line with their logo, which also seems to have the same kind of look. It's not really my thing, you know, this so cutesy. It's not really my thing, but I have nieces and nephews who I can give this to, but I actually got it for the soap. So I'm just doing a quick shout out for them because they're doing good. They are donating to Uga Chaga 15% of their Pride Month items. And so be very clear when you go on the website, because I think the Pride Month rainbow items that 15% goes to Uga Chaga is only 3 items. And the ones that I got, like this one, doesn't go to Uga Chaga. But I didn't just want to buy one piece of soap. So that's the reason why I got other items as well. And it's so pretty, and it's for good cause, and it was exactly what I needed for this time. So yeah, you have really, like, you know, 5 days before the end of Pride Month. So if you are looking for some soap and to do something good to help other people, why not? So yeah, this has been Martha, and thanks for tuning in.